Good day everyone, my name is Rika Jane Rafales Kelnet and this is my report entitled Lesson Planning in Multigrade Teaching. What is a multigrade teaching? This is a method of instruction where a single teacher teaches students from two or more different grade levels in the same classroom and at the same time. Instead of having separate classes for each grade level, students of different ages or academic levels can learn together, and the teacher plans lessons that can work across those levels, where it is commonly used in rural or remote schools with few students, small schools with limited teachers, and alternative or flexible learning environments. In multigrade teaching, a teacher may divide time between groups like grade 2 and grade 3. Give independent or group work to one grade while teaching another, and using shared topics but adjust difficulty levels. For example, a teacher might teach a reading lesson to both grade 2 and grade 3 students, and for grade 2, this focuses on basic comprehension, while grade 3, they will analyze characters and themes. Lesson planning in multigrade teaching. This is the process of preparing and organizing lessons for two or more grade levels in one classroom. This helps the teacher manage time, activities, and learning objectives so that all learners can participate and achieve their goals. Let us proceed to the importance of lesson planning in multigrade classes. Effective lesson planning is essential because, first, it helps the teacher manage different grade levels simultaneously. In a multigrade classroom, one teacher handles two or more grade levels at the same time. Through effective lesson planning, the teacher can organize activities, schedules, and tasks properly for each group of learners. This helps maintain order in the classroom and ensures that all grade levels receive proper instruction and attention. Second is, it ensures all learners meet the learning competencies. Lesson planning helps teachers identify the learning objectives and competencies that students need to achieve for each grade level. By preparing appropriate lessons and activities, teachers can ensure that all learners develop the required knowledge and skills. And then the third is, it maximizes time and resources efficiently. Since multigrade classrooms often have limited time and instructional materials, careful lesson planning helps teachers use available resources wisely. Teachers can integrate lessons, reuse materials, and organize activities that benefit multiple grade levels. Proper planning also prevents wasted time and helps maintain a smooth flow of instruction. And then the fourth one is, it promotes independent and collaborative learning. Effective lesson planning encourages students to work independently while the teacher focuses on another group. It also promotes collaboration through peer tutoring, group activities, and cooperative learning. And we have these four key principles. First one is integration of lessons. This means combining similar topics or skills across different grade levels. Instead of teaching completely separate lessons, the teacher connects related concepts such as reading skills, themes, or subjects. This helps save time, maximize resources, and make learning more organized and meaningful for students. Second principle is flexibility. This means adjusting lessons and activities based on the learner's needs, abilities, and learning pace. Since students in a multigrade class have different levels of understanding, teachers must be ready to modify instructions and activities when necessary. And then the third principle is learner-centered approach. This focuses on the student's active participation in the learning process. Teachers encourage learners to work independently, cooperate with classmates, and take responsibility for their own learning. Strategies such as peer tutoring and group activities help students become more confident and engaged in class. And we have this last principle, which is time management. This is important in multigrade teaching because the teacher handles several groups of learners at the same time. Teachers must carefully schedule activities and allocate enough time for each grade level. Proper time management helps maintain an organized classroom and ensures that all students receive attention and instruction. That would be all, and thank you so much for watching.